are going to love the 2020 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, brake assist, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.